honorable guests, and my dear students, I would like to add here that we are very privileged to have Madam Mrs. Neela Sharma as our principal. She is an ever-smiling woman, carrying a very composed head on confident shoulders, having a very optimistic approach towards life. Her philosophy of life is, success is a journey and not a destination. इनके लिए तो हम ये कह सकते हैं, मैं जिस दिन से चली हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, मैं जिस दिन से चली हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, मैंने कभी मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा, मंजिल मिले या ना मिले मुझे इसका गम नहीं, मंजिल मिले या ना मिले मुझे इसका गम नहीं, मंजिल की जुस्तजू में मेरा कारवां तो है। Now we seek the company of our Reverend Principal Madam to formally welcome the chief guest and the distinguished guests present here to grace the occasion. Madam.
Of the death anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. On this occasion, I extend a very hearty warm welcome to Shri Bakshiram Arora Ji, Mayor of Amritsar, our Honorable Chief Guest of the day. I welcome Regional Director, North Zone, Dr. Mrs. Neelam Kamra Ji, Principal BBK DAV College for Women, and I also welcome the Manager of the school, Dr. K.M. Kaul, Principal of DAV College, Amritsar. I welcome the staunch Arya Samajis who are amongst us and LMC members who have taken their time out to join us here. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Bakshiram Ji Arora, Mayor of Amritsar, is politically the most active leader of Amritsar and has the experience of over 6 decades in this field. Very social, amiable and patient, he works earnestly for the welfare of the people of Amritsar. He already has many development projects on his hands and we hope to see a clean and green Amritsar under his efficient mayorship. He joined the Jan Sangh Party in 1954 and remained active in politics since then. He even went to jail in 1957 during Hindi Andolan and again in 1975 during Bangladesh struggle and Satyagrah during emergency. He has been pivotal in organizing rallies, meetings, etc. to make people aware against China during Indo-China War in 1962. He became the Mandal President of the Jan Sangh Party in 1966. He was elected as the Councillor of Municipal Corporation, Amritsar for the first time in 1977. He became the Chairman of Improvement Trust in the year 2000 and there has never been any looking back since then. My sincere and warm welcome to Regional Director, Amritsar Zone, Dr. Mrs. Neelam Kamra Ji, Principal of BBK DAV College for Women, a woman of substance who is the inspiration and motivation behind the present success of the school. Her involvement, passion and experience in the field of education has always resulted in bridging gaps and helping the students to prepare themselves for the challenges ahead. Her far-sighted and futuristic ideas enthuse us with fresh energy and inspire us to move ahead at all times. Her continuous support and goodwill reinforces in us the urge to excel. We heartily welcome, we are a privileged people to have a persona so splendid and enlightened with us as our powerhouse, and we heartily welcome you here, ma'am. I extend a hearty welcome to the manager of the school, Dr. Shri K.M. Kaul Ji, Principal of DAV College, Amritsar. Though a man of few words, yet he is a great motivator. His genial and amiable nature enables everyone to seek his guidance. A visionary par excellence and a leader par excellence who has always directed our ways through dark chasms whenever there are such times. Sir, your gracious presence and continuous support contribute greatly to the success and growth of this institution. I again welcome all the LMC members who took out their time to be with us. I welcome the press who is instrumental in bringing all the news of the school for the public of Amritsar. And today, children, I would like to address a few lines to you. We have gathered here to remember this great hockey legend with great reverence. The legendary Dhyan Chand was an accomplished hockey player with amazing skill to handle the hockey stick. Famous all over the world as a hockey wizard, he dominated the game like no other player in the history of game. There would not have been any other apt day than this to inspire and motivate the students through the eventful life of the icon of Indian sport, the hockey genius, Major Dhyan Chand. No player in the 20th century commanded such awe, such admiration and charisma as him. Unbelievably simple and a perfect specimen of a gentleman, Major Dhyan Chand wrote in his autobiography, "I always felt that a man essentially is a man, and it is unbecoming of him to show off and to make others feel that there was snobbery in him." Unquote. And he lived up to every word of what he said. I would like the students to imbibe the values pursued by this great player of all times. There have been many incidents that describe the grandeur of Dhyan Chand ji. Just to quote one, he scored 3 goals in the last 4 minutes of a match in Berlin Olympics when his team was losing by 2 goals, and he got his team to win. His willpower and determination was unsurpassable. He had an enviable hunger for goals and had set new benchmarks for his successors. So children, I just want you not to be carried away by the luring offers from the foreign countries, but to work for your own country, India, and make it shine in the world map. Aspire for the best and put in efforts to bring global accolades for the country, as we see in the life of Major Dhyan Chand. So let us remember this great magician of the stick with reverence, and may his spirit keep on inspiring generations to come. Thank you very much, and I welcome everyone. And I would say a special word of thanks for Professor Randhawa from DAV College for Boys. Professor Randhawa has been greatly instrumental in giving us a lot of material on Dhyan Chand ji. I knew he feels passionately for the game of hockey. I feel the same passion for it, and I want you people to take it up as the real challenge to bring it up on the national map. Hockey is our national game, but it has second seed. It is up to us to give it the first seed. Let us play the game of hockey in the true spirit of an Indian, and let us make sure that it gets rightful honor. Thank you very much.
Very